How to change App Store country. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the App Store on your mobile device. Then once in there, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on the profile icon, all you have to do is tap on your name at the top or your Apple ID. Then tap on the country/region option available there. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is scroll down from the list of countries option available there, and all you have to do is tap on it. You can pick one according to your preferences. Here, let me just pick Australia. Then once I do so, I'll be navigated to confirm my change. So all you have to do is tap on the continue button available there and agree to the terms and conditions provided on your screen. All you have to do is tap on the agree at the top right corner of your screen. Now once here, all you have to do is enter the personal information such as address, phone number. You can also copy and paste it from the Google. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.